fasten your seatbelts, grab a cup of coffee, because at the end of this video you are going to become the king of CapCut editing. In this video we are going to talk about around 50 tips and tricks that will make your videos pop no matter what kind of videos you make. So let's dive in. First thing first, open your CapCut, and here you need to go to this setting because some of your PC or any other devices you are using might be slower and you might have lagging issues. So just go to your project. Here you can save your videos wherever you want to, and here you can deal with these folders and make sure that you delete this cache. In the edit section you can choose the frame rate, and this is the duration of your image. You can change the duration. That will be default duration for your images. Adjust this value at 10 and 10 frames per second and according to your needs, and make sure that you are using this one free layer. You can uncheck or check this one. We will be talking about this one as well. Make sure that you check mark all these one and use proxy, because if you are not using proxy then you might lose some of your data, but you are using proxy then your data will be saved in low quality on the server, but once you export your video, that will be high quality 4K video. In the language section you can choose whatever language you belong to, but I'm okay with the English. After that, hit save. So tip number 2 is log in with your email account and get the CapCut Pro for free. You can invite some of your friends here. I have a lot of videos about getting CapCut Pro for free. You will copy this link and send it to somebody who's not using CapCut, and that person will download CapCut and you will get CapCut Pro for free, you and that person both, for 7 days. If you keep inviting, for each person you will get 7 days. So congratulations, if you got CapCut Pro, then your editing will be a lot more easier. Alright, next feature is you just go to create a project, and here you need to see the shortcuts. Here are some of the shortcuts you can use to make sure that you are using the perfect shortcuts, and that will make your workflow a lot more easier. Let's say you want to split something, you can simply press B or split all or this one. So some of these keys you will definitely need to make your workflow faster and smoother. You can change as well. These keys are changeable in the basic. There are so many keys, you can remember them or you can just change them. Alright, so to make this tutorial I'm gonna import some of the videos here. Import these videos to the timeline, and now we will start other features. In this section I'm going to talk about the video blur option. Here is the blur option for this video. This is a video. First of all, make a copy, go to video, now here basic, and under the basic cutout, here is automatic cutout, and that's it. The cutout is done. Now I can choose this video. Now go to effects, and here you type blur, and here is the blur. You can just simply drag this one on the video like this one, and now drag this video upside, and now you see the background is blur. You can also change the intensity of the blur. Alright, so next feature is keyframing. Just go to your video, and now you will see these diamonds here. This is the keyframe, and there is a keyframe added here. I want to add another keyframe, and here I want to zoom my video back like this. At this place I want to add another keyframe. I just simply zoom this one, and maybe like that. You can see there is a keyframe automatically added here, and these are white dots. So if I play my video, I can drag this one closer because it's the long video here. Now if you see, alright, so you can make keyframes here to zoom in, zoom out, and there are so many other options for keyframes as well. Staying on keyframe, you can also adjust the colors of your video. Let's say I'm gonna drag a text file here. Here you can see I added text, and here is my text. If I want to zoom in, zoom out, by staying on the text, go to this position tab and add a keyframe. Here is a keyframe added. Now I just zoom this one here, and now I quickly want this text to appear here. So if I play now, look, my text is moving from this part to this part. And you can also zoom this timeline here. You can simply drag this keyframe here, and the speed is done. Now it's more faster, and you can do it any side, upside, downside, and any place. Alright, now we will import some LUTs. I have a video here. I'm gonna drag this one to the timeline, and now go to adjustment, and here is the LUTs option. If you don't have, you can import some of the LUTs, and I have a dedicated video on how to import the LUTs. there are so many websites to provide you free LUTs. I brought some of them here, and if I just hover my mouse, you can see that now the video changed. If I bring this one here or this one, it will look like this one. I'll drag this one here, and now my video is this original color, and now the color with the LUTs. I drag this one, and now you can see that the entire colors have been changed. So if I bring my video anywhere, you will see that these colors are now there. And you can also decrease the strength of the LUTs. Here you can see like this. And now if I just play my video anywhere, all right, I don't want to play because of the copyright issues. All right, now let's move to the next step, and that is creating preset for anything. Let's say I have a text, this one here. I just ask you to subscribe this channel. After that, let's say my preset for the text, and I can just go to save as preset. I rename it test preset. So this is my space. This is your account linked with these kind of things. I can save it anywhere. Simply press OK. And now if I go to text, and now I go to local caption, under the text here you will see some of the presets or whatever you create, and now you can drag any of these presets here because these are the presets you created. Then you can change them later in your videos, for example this one or any other. Let's say I drag this one here, and this will look like this one, and I can simply change the text, and the rest of the settings will remain same. It's not just for the text. You can create these presets for media as well. You can see this brand assets. Here is a logo. I always keep this one. I made a preset, and it will be CapCut logo anywhere I want. I can bring it anytime I want here. So this is saved as a preset inside CapCut. I can bring it anywhere on my timeline. So you can create for text, media, audio, or anything you want as a preset. Alright, so next one is importing fonts. Let's say my text is here, so I'm using another font. If I go to my text here, under the text you can see the fonts here. There are a lot of fonts. I'm using Comica Axis here. You can import new fonts. It's not the direct option, but you can import. Let me show you how you can do that. Go to any browser and type thefont.com or any website you want to download the fonts. After downloading installation, just download any font you like, install, and it will appear here in your CapCut. So this is how you can import fonts. Alright, so next feature is adding music according to the beat of that music. I just mute this one because it might have copyright issues. And here is your music, here is your video. Now you can match this music according to the beats. Where are the beats? This upside is a beat, here is a beat. So to do that, just click on the audio file here, and here is AI auto beat. Click on this one, beat 1, beat 2. So let's say beat 1, it will analyze everything, it will match here is small yellow dot. This is according to the beats, and now you can match your video according to the beat. If it's not just moving here, there, like this one, it goes back to that original position. Just make sure that you are unchecking these kind of things. You can place it anywhere you like. So I just keep it there because these are magnet issues here. All right, and now it's according to the beat. Alright, next move to another awesome feature inside CapCut. Here is my video. It's a pro feature. I can just go to analyze my entire video, and if there are some filler words, repeated words, or offensive words, you can directly delete them from your videos. And of course, there are so many pauses you sometimes take. You can remove those pauses as well. In this video, it is already being edited, so there are no pauses. But if there are some pauses, you can see these are some pauses here. If I delete, I can simply go to these pauses here. There are so many pauses here. Look, there are small one, but I can choose any of them. Look, and I can simply press delete button. It's done. And now if I go again, it will analyze and delete my filler words as well. Filler are those repeated words I use so many times. For example, and, ooh. So if I click on repeats, there are no repeats in my video. If I go to filler words, I don't have filler words. But if you have, you can easily just go to this one and delete those filler words, pauses as well. Now you can see my video has no pauses between that. It is automatically done. Okay, the next feature is go to text, and here is my video. I want to go to text and auto captions. Alright, so create an auto caption for your videos and it support this language. I'm gonna see if it support other languages as well or not. Alright, sweet. So it supports a lot of different languages including Chinese, Dutch, French, German, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Kazakh, and so many languages here, but our captions are already there. So you can design these captions. Basically, you can go and design accordingly. You design like this one. You can also add keyframes to your design. Let's say I'm gonna add a keyframe here. This color is black and I can change the color. For example, only this text I can change this one. It's a detailed tutorial I have for every element I'm gonna discuss today has a dedicated tutorial. So at this place I wanna scale it like this. At this place maybe I just got another keyframe and I'm gonna rescale this one here. I just give this value and make it here. Now all the keyframes will be here like this. Create tail effect, drag your video to the timeline at this place. Alright, so this is quite easy to give auto captions in different languages. The next part is more fun part. Drag your video and we are going to talk about color grading of this video. I'm gonna mute this video here. As I discussed earlier about the LUTs here, you can import the LUTs. That's easy. If you don't have LUTs, you can just simply go to video and here is the cutout, mask, and basic. There are so many options here, but you can choose adjustment layer, and in the adjustment layer you can choose the hue, saturation. I have a dedicated video about it. I'm not gonna talk about it here in this video much because I have 13 minutes video only describing these one. So you can go there. You can also go to HSL, how these work in this section. Turquoise, blue, green, yellow, whatsoever colors you want to change in your video, you can simply change. For example, I'm gonna bring the red back to the pink. You can see this is going to be pink, and if I'm gonna make it more yellowish towards yellow, I can make it, and the more yellowish I want to bring to this color, you see the change at this place you want to see. Look, so this is the whole lot more part about the color grading. You can make your videos more cinematic in this section. Alright, so next one is transition. Probably I'm gonna drag another video here. This is my video. Now I'm gonna zoom this timeline and I will cut this part into multiple parts like this. Alright, so my video is here. I can drag any transition from this place. These are pro transitions. If I drag this one to my timeline, I can increase this transition, and now if I play, look, and now I can drag another transition to this side and increase this one as well. If I play my video from this part, this transition will be like that. Now the third transition is here. I cannot simply make this one bigger. This will be shorter transition like this. Alright, so this is all about the transition. You can add the sound effect under transition here, like whoosh sound. I'm gonna go for the audio and here sound effect, and here I say whoosh, bring this one here. Now transition will look like, adjust this one here, and it will be like that. Alright, so you can increase or decrease and adjust the duration of your transition, and in the meantime you can adjust the sound effect according to the transition. So next one is animation. You can just simply go to this video and here are animation. There are in animation and out animation. How it should be, I'm gonna apply this one and it will be like this. Here you can increase and decrease the duration of your transition for in and out. I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one. At this place it will be like this one, and I can increase and decrease the duration of transition. Now in and out. Alright, so I'm gonna delete this one for now. I'm gonna delete the sound as well. So here you can see the transition and animation has been added. There is a small arrow. You can always go and change these transitions to anything. Now next feature is, let's talk about the filters. Let's say this is your video and you want to apply some of the filters here. Drag any filter here like this. The video colors will automatically change. You want a dusk filter and it will be like that. Is quite handy. Another thing is you can apply this filter to entire video like this one. Instead of dropping here, you can drop it here, and now the video is like that. And if I press Command Z, the original color of the video is here, so you keep on looking at that place. Let's say I want to bring this one now. Now the video colors change with these cool filters, so you can apply any filters you like. Let's say this is here, and now my video is like this one, and you can choose anyone, this one as well, this one too, anything. And if you don't want to apply it to the entire video, just part of video you can drag upside like this, here and here. That's it. Okay, now we are talking about these kind of things, so you can also apply some of the effects. For example, blur effect at this place, you want to apply some blur and this will be blur. You can apply some of these filters as well, and this will be like that. So these are effects. You can also add some of the stickers here. Let's say you want to add this one, you can add this one. You want to add some hearts, you can add some hearts. So this is quite handy if you are talking about money. You can talk about money, which I like but I don't have currently. So next feature is very cool. I'm gonna delete this one, bring this video here. Now I can go to video and now cutout and auto cutout. It will cut my video into a different background. It will be black. You can put anything in the background. So I'm gonna go back and you see that the background has been already deleted by the CapCut AI. And now I can place another video on top of that, like this one, bring upside and to the frame. So I just came from snow to this place. Look, and if I drag this one here at the side, my original video is this one, and now this one, black and turn into this. All right, so this is cool. You can easily remove the background if you have a green screen. If you don't have green screen, both are okay, don't worry. All right, so next move to this video and this video. There are two videos. I want a video in video and picture in picture option. Here is my video. If I just go, it will be, you know, like that. I can simply drag this corner here and this will be video in video. You can adjust the size here. You can place it anywhere like that. So there are two videos and you can also drag a picture. Alright, so next feature is zoom in and zoom out with the keyframes. Let's say I have this video, I want to zoom in out. Simply just go to video basic and give these keyframes anywhere. This is the scale at this position and you can see this white diamond here. Now I can give another keyframe. I can make it full screen like this one and it will be zoomed in and out. And furthermore, you can go to adjustment to change these colors, and in the animation speed section you can increase and decrease the speed of your keyframes like this. This is for slow-mo and fast motion videos. Let's say this is here and here. Alright, so you can do all these things here, and here is the basic thing, curve. If you want to adjust this curve, how to go like slow-mo and fast motion. Say I want to do for this video, because this video is great for learning slow-mo and fast motion video. Just go to your speed and in the curve section you choose any of these one. As you can see, there are some of the speed curves are already here. I can adjust this one. Maybe here I want it slower and here I want this one to be faster, and here I can add another point or bring this one to slow again and then fast one again. This is very much essential for the TikTokers. Alright, so this is, you can adjust these speeds here. You can also bring this one to slow. The lower value is slow, the topper one is for the fast motion videos, and you can choose anything built in and you can customize as well. By customizing, you can choose according to your own style and choice. So you just bring this one up and it will be like this. Alright, so the next one is trim whatever you need for your videos. For example, this is a sound. You can see this video has sound, but you can simply press B button to trim these places and keep on trimming this one and delete the unnecessary parts. If you are not pressing B, you can, after that you can press A button to just go back and now hold the command button or control button and delete these parts, and now your video has been trimmed. Simply just press this one and they are back. Alright, so if you want to split this one manually, here there is an option splitting this one and split this one, bring this here. This is how you can remove unnecessary parts with the help of this trimming and splitting into two parts. So this will split video into two parts and you can delete unnecessary part anytime. And here is another handy option. If you want to delete right side, it will delete the right side. I'm gonna press Z, and if you want to delete the left side, it will delete the left side of that particular clip. For example, this one is selected from this place and I want to delete the left part, it will delete the left part. I want to delete the right part, it will delete the right part wherever my cursor is. For example, this one, I want to delete right part, I delete right part like this. Alright, so this is very handy. Alright, so the next one is cropping tool. Let's say I want to crop this one to this place, and that's it. The video has been cropped now. This video is cropped. And I can bring it back as well. It will be small part of the video. I want to crop this one. I can go crop this video like this. Alright, so this is now cropped video like this. Alright, awesome. So next tool is really handy. Now, if you want to add some of the keyframes, let's say I want to add one keyframe. I move 2 steps further and add another keyframe like this one. And what can I do? I just zoom this timeline. Simply just select one keyframe and now hold Command and Control button on PC. These two are selected. Now press Command or Control C. These are copied. Now keep pasting like this one. And here, if I want to zoom my video, I can scale down. Here, if I want to add this keyframe, it is selected. Now I can zoom like this one, or change, or do anything, any transition or whatsoever. So this is copy paste keyframes like this. This is really handy feature for copy pasting. You can select multiple keyframes like this, and this, copy these one and simply go to anywhere on video, paste this one, and this is full of keyframes. Now you can drag and adjust the video according to these keyframes. Alright, so next one is really cool. Right click on any of these videos and you can extract the audio file. And now this video has no audio. Just delete this video and audio will remain there. And I'm gonna press Command Z. Here is, this audio is fade in and fade out here. You can use these two handles to fade in and out, and you can also go to audio, basic, fade in and out. You see, this change is here, and for the out, fade out is here. If I play now, so it's gonna be fade out here. And in the meantime, you can also do one important thing here with the audio. This is fading out, and now there are 2 videos. And, let's say I want to cut this one into multiple part. I press B, and I press this one. Okay, after editing this video, I can simply delete this one and make a compound clip of this one. Right click on this one and create a compound clip. No matter you have text or whatsoever, it is a compound, 1 unit, 1 video. So you can drag it anywhere, put it anywhere. If, for example, this audio is here, you can select both of them and make a compound clip. First undo compound clip and now make a compound clip again. So this is really handy for making compound clips, because sometimes you do editing here and you have a text preset or anything here that will go somewhere else, alignment. You can simply click this one and create a compound clip, and now the text will appear here. It will be right there. Alright, so next feature is really cool. Drag your video to the timeline, and here we were gonna go for the reverse video. Let's say I'm gonna go for this place. Instead of this one, I will go for the reverse video. This is a trick for so many things. A lot of TikTokers, they edit reverse video. I just simply press this reverse and my video will be reversed. Alright, if I play my video here, now you will see that the video is reverse video. It's starting from somewhere else. Its end is here. Now you can see that end is here. It started from this place. The end is now moved to this place, and that beginning is the end now. Cool, this is done, and here we are gonna go for the next one, that is voice. Here is the microphone button, and you can see that external is selected. You can select any microphone. For at this part of my video, my microphone started some problems. My video was speed up, audio was speed up, so I couldn't bring all those 5 to 8 new tips and tricks I was talking about. The others are stepping up filters, and then there is a light option. There you can change these studio lights, and in the meantime I was talking about other features related to blending option. All those videos are already on my CapCut playlist, so just go to my CapCut playlist, look around and see all those videos there. If you still have any question, write in the comment section. I will definitely respond to your comments, and if you like this video, then thumbs up and subscribe. It took me a lot of time to capture this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.